As I drove to work today on this beautiful summer day, something finally hit me. I forgot to upload American Reviewer episode. I also forgot to edit it, but I didn't forget to film it. So yeah, guys, I forgot all about it, and so there's no episode this week. There will be an episode next week. I basically have every episode except for the last 2 episodes of season 4, I think is what I'm on. Yeah, season 4. I have like basically every episode filmed. It's just I forgot all about it. I've been slammed this week with work and friends, so yeah. Oh well, so luckily we should continue next week, hopefully. So yeah, there's just that quick little update, and I forgot all about it. I woke up this morning and I was just like, oh shit, wait a minute, I just said I thought about it while I was driving. Well, hey, look over there.